Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple application in Objective C, and basically what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to have a button in your application and you're going to be able to tweet on Twitter whatever you want by pressing that button. So before I get this video started, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to two people. One person called James, which his link will be down in the description. You could go subscribe to him on YouTube, that would be great. And also another person called Billy Ellis, which he does jailbreak related videos, tutorials like this. So if you could subscribe to him as well, that would be good as well. So let's get this started. So basically what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a new Xcode project and a single view application. Next I'm just going to name this YouTube video. And that's basically it. Make sure it's on Objective C. I'm just going to press next and just going to create this. So now I'm going to go to my main.storyboard and just going to select on the view controller just here and press size. So I'm going to put this iPhone 4" because my iPhone is an iPhone 5. So I'm just going to grab a button and basically just going to put this in the middle and press me, and we're going to get a label and just going to say this is a test. So now we're going to go to our YouTube video, the top one just here, and go to our build phases, link binary with libraries, press the plus symbol just here, and we're going to add a framework called account, and then we need to add another one called social. Double click that. So now we're going to have to import them frameworks in here. So basically just go like this and import. I'm just going to do accounts/accounts.h, and we're going to have to do the same for the other one. So import, and we're going to have to do social.h. So now we're going to have to go to main.storyboard again, so I forgot to do this. Go up to our system editor and go to our view controller.h, and I'll just space this out a little bit. There we go. So we're going to have to create an action for our button. So I'm just going to label this, name this press me, and make sure that's on action. And we're also going to have to create a outlet for this, so I'm just going to label this basically label, and then we're going to have to go back to our view controller.h again, and we're going to have to write a little bit of code in there, but this shouldn't be that hard to do. So we need to create our brackets, and then we need to type out SL compose view controller, and then we're going to have to give this a name. So I'm just simply going to name mine SL composer, and then we need to create our bracket to end that there. So now we need to go to our view controller.m, and then we need to go to the press me, and we need to write some code in here. So we need to do SL composer, and that's going to equal bracket SL compose view controller. Yep, there we go. For service. I want to compose. So I'll get my caps. There we go. For service, and then we're going to type in there SL service for Twitter. So you can do this for Facebook or anything like that. So you need to end our bracket just there. I need to do a semicolon. So now I need to create another bracket just here, SL Composer. Sorry about all them notifications, I forgot to turn them off, but yeah. And then we need to type in set initial text, and then we need to create a NS string. So we need to, sorry about that, we need to create a bracket, and then we need to type NS string, and then we need to type string with format. We need to create a bracket and 2 speech marks, then a comma, sorry about that, and then self.label.text. Make sure you have your caps off, otherwise you'll run into things like that. And then we need to close 2 brackets and then do a semicolon. And then in our 2 speech marks just there, we need to type out %sign and a @ symbol. Then we need to type our last bit of code. We need to do self present view controller, and then we need to type here, sorry about this, right, SL Composer, and we need to animate it yes, and then null. I need to close that. So now if I build and run this on my iPhone, I'm just going to make sure this is going to run on this. I need to put this on 9.1 because my device is on 9.1. So if I go to build and run, and I'll bring up QuickTime Player, the new movie recording. Right, so what is this named? YouTube video. Just give that a sec to appear. Build and run that again. So I'm not sure what the hell is going on there. But anyway, I'm not sure what's going on there. It just doesn't want to run, but I'll show you another one that I made earlier. So just go like this, and it will bring up another view, and you'll be able to post this to Twitter. That should work. It's something to do with QuickTime Player, and that I can't build and run at the same time. But thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Peace.